Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this new tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can perform or create schedules and manage them in Gemini Spark. So as you're aware, Gemini Spark is one of the new 24/7 AI agent available at your service from Google Gemini, and it includes a very useful and a very real life practical tool which is called schedules. So if you don't know about it, then schedules in Gemini Spark automate tasks in the background using three main types: time-based triggers, Gmail monitors, and topic monitors. You can create and manage them directly through conversational text prompts on the Gemini official site, which we'll be going to see here. So basically, these helps you create autonomous schedules which run on their own without you even having to open or running your laptop or any server or phone. So mm, now we will learn how you can create a schedule. So the first option that you will need to select is the schedules under Spark, and then you have this option which is create with Gemini and create manually. So you can choose any one options. First, let's explore create with Gemini. Okay. So it has given an auto prompt which says, help me schedule a task. It says, let's get started. I can run recurring tasks or react to a specific updates across your Gmail, calendar, Drive, and the web. What would you like me to schedule? Send me a news digest every morning. Yes, let's say we wanted to send me a mm, news digest every morning. Now I have hit the enter button and see what it actually does. We'll be looking at its thought process, any questions it asks, or even test it out for the same. So it says that it has identified the request and begun exploring potential tools for task scheduling. It has also clarified the time-based scheduling tools, use case, and parameter requirements. Okay, now it has created me a schedule where the task is to send daily news digest at around 8 a.m. IST. It covers top global headlines, national news, tech updates summarized with source links directly in your chat. And from here, you can read it about it more. Now, if you want to change it, so for example, let's say I can change the time to 9 a.m. and only include regional news. And now I have asked it to modify this particular schedule. Now you can see it is currently editing the schedule, and it has pinpointed the schedule ID and located the relevant update mechanism. And now you can see that it has updated the schedule details, and now it only send detailed regional news at around 9 a.m. IST. Now, once I am done, I can simply confirm it. It says it has updated the schedule, so we will be able to see it right here. You can see this is our send daily regional news digest. Now you can also edit this either with Gemini like we saw, or you can also edit it manually. So from here you can also change the time. You can also change to run. So for example, let's say I want to run it monthly, and on the selected days of that particular month which I want, all of them can be done from here. The second option is to create it manually. So from here you can simply type in the name of the schedule. So for example, let's say job news. Now when to run, let's say I want it to run from Monday to Saturday. So I have selected Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and around, let's say, 8 a.m. Now I will ask Gemini to create I can even ask Gemini to create and edit event-based schedulers and monitors. Now from here, you need to determine what are the instructions. The instructions are fetch job postings near the Delhi NCR region for software developer, Python, and Java. And once that is done, we can simply click onto this create button, and you can see that it is creating the schedule. And now you can see that the schedule has been successfully created. Apart from that, you also have this run now option, so that if you click onto this, you will see that it will run this particular prompt right now, and it will give you the answer or the response just when you click onto this run now button. So as you can see, I clicked run now, and here you can see that it has given me this particular response, which actually feels really great. So now, apart from that, you can also manage different other things. Like if you wish to delete any particular schedule, you can simply click onto this delete button and it will be deleted in no time. If you only wish to pause it and not delete it, you can click onto this pause option as well. And the schedule will come under this paused category. If you want to resume it, you can simply resume it from here. So that was pretty much it about schedules in Google Spark. And that was all for this tutorial. If you guys like this video, do make sure to hit the like button as well. Let us know in the comments if you have any doubt or you want to provide any suggestion. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.